Hello, I'm your friend Teacher Sam. I will help you practice short questions and answers in English with is. Question: Is your mom at home? Answer: Yes, my mom is at home. Question: Is your dad at work? Answer: Yes, my dad is at work. Question: Is your sister at home? Answer: No, my sister is not at home. She went to school. Question: Is your brother at home? Answer: No, my brother is not at home. He went out with his friends. Question: Is he a doctor? Answer: No, he is not a doctor. He is a nurse. Question: Is she a teacher? Answer: No, she is not a teacher. She is an accountant. Question: Is he a businessman? Answer: Yes, he is a businessman. Question: Is he tired? Answer: Yes, he is very tired because he worked a lot today. Question: Is she worried about her exams? Answer: No, she is not worried about her exams because she has confidence. Question: Is he anxious about his job? Answer: Yes, he is anxious about his job because he doesn't want to lose it. Question: Is she a nurse in this hospital? Answer: Yes, she is a nurse in this hospital. Question: Is the child healthy? Answer: Yes, the child is very healthy because they eat healthy food. Question: Is it urgent to take the child to the clinic? Answer: Yes, we can take the child to the clinic to save life. Question: Is he trying to become famous? Answer: Yes, he is trying to become famous. Question: Is he crying because he is hungry? Answer: Yes, he is crying because he is very hungry. Question: Is the test done at the local lab? Answer: Yes, the test was done at the local lab. Question: Is your dad getting better? Answer: Yes, my dad is getting better. Question: Is your sister going to attend the wedding this weekend? Answer: No, my sister is not going to attend the wedding because she will be busy at work. Question: Is he the owner of this house? Answer: No, he is not the owner of this house. He is a tenant. Question: Is he a landlord of this house? Answer: Yes, he is a landlord of this house. Question: Is she a landlady? Answer: No, she is not a landlady. She is a tenant. Question: Is he coming from far away? Answer: Yes, he is coming from far away. Question: Is she asking for money? Answer: Yes, she is asking for money. Question: Is the game over? Answer: Yes, the game is over. Question: Is he an American citizen? Answer: No, he is a Canadian citizen. Question: Is it your car? Answer: No, it is my father's car. Question: Is she jealous of you? Answer: No, I don't think she is jealous of me. Question: Is it the correct password? Answer: Yes, it is the correct password. Question: Is it okay to call him now? Answer: Yes, I think it is okay to call him now. Question: Is it possible to save money now? Answer: Yes, it is possible to save money now. Question: Is it possible to travel with Amanda tonight? Answer: No, I don't think it's possible to travel with Amanda tonight because she is too young for a night journey. Great job. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel for more lessons with Teacher Sam. Remember that practice makes perfect.